Hey, what's up? So look, if you've ever purchased any of our clothing items, you know, from this drag to our bonnets, to our shirts, to our cloth diapers, anything of that nature, you gotta know how to take care of it. So what important things you gotta do is use proper, where'd that go? Oops. Use proper detergent. I'm a big fan of True Detergents, what we use in the house is a black owned company. This is the true heavy duty liquid detergent, 4 times concentrated. We use this for everything from towels to wash rags to the boys' clothes, to our clothes, everything. They also have a sensitive version as well. We use that one a lot for newborn baby stuff. So when we had Boss Mick and King Kai the first time around, we made sure we kept them in the sensitive just to make sure nothing broke their skin out. But this stuff here is fantastic. So I recommend utilizing this to take care of yourself, all right? I'm gonna link them down in the description below for you. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or if you even used True before, let me know. Yeah. Comment that. I would love to hear what your experience was with their detergent. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any more questions, again, comment or email my little sister. She likes talking to people, and it's fantastic. So Monique's address, email address will be right in the description for you. Stay tuned at the end of this video. There'll be some more videos explaining how to use our products to the best of their abilities. Abilities? What is abilities? Abilities. Woo! All right. Thank you so much again. I appreciate you. Please have a beautiful, fantastic, and amazing day. Catch you on the next one, okay? Promise? All right. See ya.